In this video, you'll get a step-by-step idea of how to add a single-post parking hoist. We'll cover everything from finding the right location and drilling anchor holes to securely installing the hoist and connecting it to a power source. These hoists offer efficient space utilization and ease of use, making your work hassle-free. With their durable construction and innovative features such as remote-controlled operation and safety mechanisms, they ensure reliability and convenience. By following this guide, you can optimize your parking solutions for enhanced efficiency and convenience with CAEL's new hoists.